I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volkswagen Beetle tire. First, ensure your car is on a flat, safe surface, away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheel diagonally opposite the flat one. Next, gather all your necessary tools: the spare tire, jack, lug wrench, and your owner's manual for specific jack points. Safety is paramount before you begin any work. Now, with your lug wrench, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. You don't need to remove them yet, just break them free. Next, consult your owner's manual to find the correct jack point on your Volkswagen Beetle's frame. Carefully position the jack there and begin to raise the vehicle. Continue lifting until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. Once the car is lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts you previously loosened. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Slide it onto the studs, ensuring it sits flush against the hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the spare. With the spare tire in place and hand tightened, slowly lower your Volkswagen Beetle until the tire just makes contact with the ground. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once they are all snug, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Finally, store your flat tire and all your tools securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.